So this is the Morgan Resort and Spa in St. Maarten's on the Dutch side. You're very close to the airport. It's a great resort, 4-star if you need someone to stop off for the night before getting on a cruise or after your cruise, like we are doing since our flight was canceled due to a storm back in Philadelphia. So you have a beautiful gazebo here, decorated nicely for weddings. Great Adirondack and lounge chairs here. The gazebo out there is for the spa. You can have a massage out there on the ocean. And then over this direction is the famous Maho Beach, where the planes come landing in. That's very famous. Now, you do hear the planes from the resort, but it really isn't that much of a problem. So you see there's a little beach over here. This is not part of the resort, but you have access to it, as well as the famous Maho Beach over there where the planes land. This will be a great place for sunset, to have a cocktail and look out over the ocean. They also have cornhole over here to play, complimentary. This is the barbecue shack. You can get some nice lunch here at the barbecue shack. They have cabanas to rent. Hammock with some Jenga. You want to play Jenga. And then right here is the pool bar and the swim up bar. DJ playing. Walk right into the pool, almost looks like sand. There is a little slide over there and a hot tub jacuzzi. Hi, we're here today at the Morgan Resort and Spa Hotel in St. Maarten's on the Dutch side. This is a property that's very close to the airport, so it's convenient if you were going to stay before going on a cruise, or if you're delayed going home due to weather and you need a night's stay before flying back home. This is a 4-star property. This is their king bedded room, tropical view. So the room does have a king size bed. And we have reading lights here, plenty of lighting, nice and bright and colorful, plenty of plugs on each side of the bed. There is also a Bluetooth here for your music and a charger as well. Your phone, of course. And we have your flat screen TV with plenty of space for clothing. This is not an all-inclusive resort, so it does have a refrigerator, but it is empty, so you could purchase your own things and put it in there. This resort is not adults only, so it's for anyone who wants to stay there. You do have to wear wristbands at the resort. We have an ice bucket here and bottled water for purchase. And then we come over here, you have a rack for your luggage, as well as more drawer space with your wooden hangers. They will offer cleaning services for clothes at an additional cost. Nice full-size mirror here, and then pocket doors for the bathroom. This is a lovely sized bathroom. Nice and large. You have your backlit mirror along with a makeup mirror, hair dryer as well, and a nice walk-in shower. And your toilet is to the other side. Plenty of space and very nice. You have your amenities in here from your shampoo, your conditioner, and your body wash as well. And down here is the hair dryer, like I said, and your bathroom is separate. A nice full-length mirror here also. So this is the Morgan Resort Hotel and Spa. It does have a balcony here, and it's a nice sized balcony with a table and 2 chairs. Very large here, but this is the tropical view, so it doesn't have much of a water view in this room type. So when you're ready to book the Morgan Resort or any resort in St. Maarten's, please call the experts at A Premier Travel. Thank you.